Hey guys, I'm back again with another hair video. Just by the title, today's video will be all about scalp exfoliation. One thing for sure, the key to healthy hair is a healthy scalp. Let's start by defining the word scalp exfoliation. Scalp exfoliation is the process of cleansing the scalp to get rid of dry, flaky skin, product buildup, and debris. Think of your scalp as an extension of your skincare routine. It requires all of the same steps your skin needs to appear healthy and radiant, such as cleansing, moisturizing, and the occasional exfoliation. Trichologists recommend scalp exfoliation if you have the following scalp concerns. Number 1 is dryness, dandruff, acne, just to name a few. My scalp exfoliation routine includes chemical formulas formulated with active ingredients that promise to dissolve any flakes, scalp care shampoos and conditioners, tools and deep conditioners specifically made for this purpose. The first step is to apply a chemical exfoliant all over my scalp. The one I'm using is glycolic acid by The Ordinary. Chemical exfoliants work a bit differently as they need to sit for at least an hour before you wash them out with shampoo and conditioner. I usually leave mine overnight and shampoo the following morning. For the rest of my hair, I am pre-pooing with aloe vera gel. After that is done, I'm using an electric scalp massager to massage the formula into my scalp. This is a great way to distribute the product all over and give your scalp a wonderful massage. This is the following morning before I could get to the shower for wash day. I go in with this Keto Plus shampoo whose main ingredient is ketoconazole, an antifungal that works by preventing the growth of fungus. I apply it sufficiently all over my scalp, massage for 3 minutes and keep it in for 10 minutes, then later rinse with warm water. 10 minutes later, this is me in the shower. I'm gently unraveling my twists so I can shampoo my hair. The shampoo I'm using is the Mizani Scalp Care Shampoo. This shampoo works with every texture and curl type. A dry scalp shampoo that relieves itchiness and dandruff thanks to pyrethrum, zinc, peppermint oil, and cucumber extract. Then I follow up with the Mizani Scalp Care Conditioner. This scalp care conditioner works with every texture and curl type. A nourishing scalp conditioner that replenishes moisture to the hair and scalp while also delivering dandruff-fighting active ingredients. I really like the menthol tingly feeling in my scalp that I get from this. After that, I'm going to apply a hair mask, and before we can go to the application process, let me first show you how I make the mask. We are going to use aloe vera because it helps treat itchy scalp. I had some stored in my refrigerator, so I'm just going ahead to blend it, and I'm using a wig cap to filter it to make it smooth for application and to avoid any lumps sticking on my hair. Then I add the Mega Growth Deep Conditioning Treatment and apple cider vinegar, which also helps to balance the pH of the scalp. Next, I'm adding my sweet almond oil to help moisturize my hair. Then I make sure to just mix everything up properly. So let's move on to application. Make sure to use the treatment when your hair is still damp. For easier application, please apply it in sections. This treatment is not only a hair growth treatment, but it is also a detox treatment with lots of sleep. It leaves my hair extremely moisturized and makes it very easy for me to manage and manipulate my hair after rinsing it out. Guys, please try this hair mask and you'll thank me later. I let it sit for an hour, and when the time is up, I rinse that up and finish up with my conditioner. the final step, which is also very important, it's more of an aftercare step. I apply sulfur 8 grease that I modified. If you have a troubled scalp, I guarantee you this will solve 99% of your scalp problems. If you want me to share this recipe, please comment down below so I can make a separate video for this. It contains sulfur 8, virgin hair fertilizer, yellow sulfur, miconazole nitrate, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, hair growth oil mix. Yeah guys, so that's it. After application, I just massage it thoroughly for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then that's it for my scalp exfoliation routine. I hope you guys loved this video, and yeah, if you'd love to see more of this, kindly let me know, and don't leave without subscribing, and also comment on this video, show me some love so that I can get motivation to create more for you. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Bye.